Okay, so you want to be a billionaire. Well, first of all, you have to have a billionaire mindset.
Yes.
And if you don't know what that is, study billionaires and find
Mhm.
out what their mindset is. My advice, study billionaires, identify what it is. What's the reason you're not a billionaire right now? What is it you're going to have to give up? So as you give yourself the time to fill those gaps, perhaps you need to be, perhaps you need to identify what it is that is going to make you into a billionaire. But being a billionaire is going to take years, but it's going to also take lots of progressional steps and lots of knockbacks on the way. So surround yourself by the people who will help you to the next level, and then the next level, and then the next level. Very few people become successful without being good collaborators,
Mm.
without being able to, to communicate. Communication, the way you talk to other people, the way you are around other people, that is massive, isn't
Yeah.
it? People respond and they do business with people they like. And if you understand, as I going back to what I was saying a little while ago, if you understand yourself, if you have self-awareness, you can become anyone. You can become anything. You
Yeah.
just got to understand, start with you, understand how others have done things, and put it together. What's special about you? What can you grow, and who can you collaborate with, who can help you grow even bigger? As I said, I will reiterate this every time. What are you prepared to give up? It's not going to happen if you're playing on YouTube all day or watching TV.
When I started my education in 2017,